To add an easy-to-use pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets, simply choose the cells where you want to be able to add dates. Then click Insert, Dropdown, and choose Is Valid Date. Then make sure that If Date is Invalid, Reject the Input is chosen. This will avoid any addition of invalid information into these cells by mistake. After this, simply double-click the selected cells to choose a date from a calendar. If you want to change the format of the selected date, choose Format, Number, and Custom Date and Time. Then you can choose one of the example dates that you like. Finally, if you want to make it extra clear that you need to double-click the cell in order for the pop-up calendar date picker to appear, select the relevant cells, click Insert and Note. Then write a message that will show up if someone clicks the cells. If you want to learn how to subtract or add dates from each other, check out this video.